Hi ladies, welcome back to another video. Good morning. We are getting ready. It is a little family day, so come hang out with us. Ladies, we made it out of the house. Now we're getting some food.
No ma'am.
And I like the chicken nugget.
And babe, coffee?
I'll take a medium hot coffee.
And then a medium hot coffee, please.
Any cream of sugar?
5 creamers, 3 sugars.
5 creamers and 3 sugars, please.
Okay.
Is that it?
Can I be off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the screen's at your window. Thank you.
Okay, screen's not working. Okay.
I got a medium coffee with 5 creams, 3 sugars. It's perfect. Wanna try, babe?
Who's gonna go down that
Ladies,
slide?
we made it, but we're gonna let the kids play it here at the little park that they have.
Try the slide.
He's looking at the food. We just had McDonald's though. And now you're looking at the food.
Here's the best view of the day right here.
Oh, this is the OOTD. My sandals are from Shoe Carnival. Wrangler jeans and American Eagle shirt. My bag is from Target, and my sunglasses are from the dollar store because I lost my other ones. I'm super. We're gonna go check some Crocs. This is Shoe Carnival.
Oh, yeah.
Go in, guys. Go in. Go, 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 go. This way.
Go ahead.
Spin the wheel. We're gonna check the Crocs. I saw them by the window. They're right over here. Look at these. These are so pretty. They're sandals. They're perfect for the beach and for like everyday flip-flops. No, I like these. Look, babe.
That color though? Wait, don't be touching
Yeah, I like the color. Don't get them off the shelf, just look at them. Oh look, I used to have these exact same color. These are awesome. Huh?
Yeah, these are right.
I did? Oh.
It's so soft. Push it.
Okay, you need to touch
You're right.
Yeah, I'm sweating. It's good. It's gonna cost us hot bar. Babe, straight or right?
Straight. We are burning up already. It's so hot. But we see a Crocs store here, so we're gonna stop there.
What?
We made it to Bath and Body Works, so I have these coupons. They got all wet in my purse, but they have 50% here. And look at this one, babe. Look at this one. This one says espresso.
Put it in here, mommy.
What about root coffee?
Look, smell it.
Root coffee. That smells pretty good.
Do you think it'll be good or too sweet? Here, hold these for me, babe. Guys, this one smells really good. It smells just like espresso.
like coffee.
Yeah.
What about this one right here? Root coffee.
Try it. Oh, that one says brewed coffee. Smell that one.
Oh, that one's a little, it's not so sweet.
This one?
Yeah, we
And these are $1, so we're gonna take a couple of these for birthday favorites. For $5. $5. We got the bags. Bath and Body Works. So we just came for this and Crocs and we got it all done. So now it's time for us to go home. There's time left. We're gonna park it right here.
Hopefully the family gets it.
Yep. Somebody else can use it.
Let's go.
Let's go, boys. Guys, we live in Texas and look how hot it looks just by looking at the camera. The floor is burning. What do you have to say?
The floor turned hot and last night it turned bingy bed day and the heat raining.
Oh.
And the say boom, boom.
There's a storm yesterday. Guys, we picked up an espresso from the marketplace on Facebook. So this is what the new machine looks like. Guys, I'm so bad at this. I forgot to keep recording, but we came to the park. Made it up this little hill. And the park is over there.
They went down.
That's so tall.
Oh my gosh.
But
But don't fall down at some.
And they have Flojo right there.
Run, son! Beautiful night out.
Those are your pull-up skills. Ready, Levi? Go. Yay! Ready, Levi? Ladies, we're finally home. It's been a long, fun, crazy day. We love spending time with our boys together. But I'll see you girls in the morning. I'm going to show you my new espresso machine. I'm going to take off my makeup right now, go to sleep, call it a night. And I'll see you girls in the morning to show you girls more exciting things. Good morning, ladies. We are back. This is the look for the day. I just did a ponytail. It's like day hair number 4, I think. Look at these little earrings. They're so cute. My cousin makes them. They are beautiful. And anyway, so this is the look and let's get this beautiful day started. But first, of course, I have to get this bed done. So let's do this. And there it is, ladies. Super cute, super clean and simple. But there you have, our bed is made so we can get the day started. Hi ladies, we are in the coffee station now. So I ended up changing my shirt, by the way. It was not giving the vibes, so I changed. But anyways. No, Levi. Alexa, turn off music.
Mom.
Ladies, I'm gonna have to add another shot because I feel like I didn't do it correctly. Okay, adding that extra shot definitely made a huge difference. Let's get the day started. I'm gonna start off by cleaning up the kitchen and then doing homeschool with my kiddos. Let me see, play your guitar, Levi and Brent. Anyways, ladies, we came on a walk and the park is so close to the beach that we're gonna go to the beach real quick. I can see it right now. And I only brought Brent because Levi fell asleep, so my husband's right now. It's like partly cloudy, like it's gonna rain. And it's beautiful out here. Oh, these are the Crocs I got yesterday, ladies. They're so cute. I just can't wait to get charms for it. He's so cute. He's like, I'll show you how to carry this, Mom. And here we are. You're gonna leave it there? They're gonna steal it. No, there's no sharks. We're walking back on our little trail. This is what it looks like. We're all sandy. That was our day for today, ladies. It was beautiful, and that's living with Jimena. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And click on the little subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every single time I upload a video of living with Jimena. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Y'all, thank you for supporting and for watching all the way to the end of the video. Good night.